If you're looking for effective rodenticide baits that will kill rats and mice while posing less risks to other wildlife, then look for products made with Warfarin. Warfarin is a first-generation anti-coagulant rodenticide that's found in many rodent-killing bait products. In this video, we'll teach you about the active ingredient itself and show you how to use popular products made with it. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. Warfarin, first registered for use in rodenticides in 1952, is a first-generation anticoagulant rodenticide, or FGAR. It is commonly used in rodenticide baits to control common rodent pests such as rats or mice. Baits made with Warfarin are commonly found in the form of blocks, cakes, or pellets. Warfarin baits work when ingested by your targeted rodents. This ingredient is an anticoagulant, so it stops the blood from clotting normally. This eventually leads to internal bleeding, followed up by death. Since Warfarin is an FGAR, it will take many feedings over the course of 1 to 2 weeks to deliver a lethal dose. FGARs break down inside of rodents quickly when compared to more lethal bait products. For this reason, FGARs are less likely to result in secondary poisoning when a predator consumes a dead rodent that's fed off these baits. Warfarin rodenticides are safe to use when applied according to their label directions. To properly use baits containing Warfarin, we recommend you use your product along with a rat and mouse bait station. Our rat and mouse bait stations are tamper-proof and made with a durable plastic, so children, pets, or non-target animals will not be able to access the bait. That being said, always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when applying Warfarin bait products and keep them out of reach of any children or pets. This ingredient may still cause harm to anyone when ingested. If you're looking to deal with infestations of small rats, mice, or voles, then check out Warfarin Rodent Bait. Warfarin is a versatile multi-feed bait made with 0.025% Warfarin. Use this product with a Solutions Rat and Mouse tamper-proof bait station. Wearing gloves, load your bait stations with Warfarin bait blocks. Warfarin blocks come with pre-drilled holes to allow easy placement on your station's rods. The amount you'll need depends on the rodent you're targeting. For rats, apply 4 to 16 blocks per station. For mice, you only need 1 block per station. Place the stations about 8 to 12 feet apart for mice or 15 to 30 feet apart for rats. Set them where you've noticed rodent activity. To determine the best spots to bait, look for grease marks along walls, fur, rodent droppings, gnaw marks, and rodent burrows. Check your bait stations every few days to look for activity. Replenish bait as needed. Keep the station supplied for at least 15 days to ensure all pests in the area can consume the bait. If you're dealing with voles, look for sign of vole activity like burrow openings or missing or eaten plant bulbs around flower beds, shrubs, and ground cover. Place 1 block in each bait station and set them near where you've seen activity. Maintain a fresh supply of bait for at least 15 days or until there are no new signs of vole activity. Warfarin baits are effective, slow-killing rodenticides that will help you get rid of your rodent problem without harming non-target animals. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop rodents from infesting your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.